Now you slide that right off. See how that just slid right off? Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring. Today I've got a little bit of leftover resin from another project I was working on. And we're going to go ahead and get that into these bracelets as a background. So I'm going to start this little project. See, it's nice and opaque. I'm just going to put a little bit into these as a background. And then when this gets cured, we'll come back and we will put some stickers on it. And then put a top coat on it. I still have plenty more, so I'm going to find one more project. A little too much in here. All right. Okay, we'll get this cured. It has a nice little background to it. I'll get it cured and I'll be back with the next steps. All right, we've got the bracelets done. They're nice and cured. It's got a nice little background on there. What I'm going to do is I've got this sheet of tattoos. My daughter got it from something. And I just think these two butterflies are just amazingly beautiful. So what we do is we'll take the butterfly. You take this protective seal off of it. And I'm going to put it right here across here. I'm going to dab it with some water. Let that soak up some water for a minute. Take the seal off, put it where I want it. Let's see. I'm going to put it this way. You got to put the tattoos where you want them. That's just an old spray bottle of water. Just makes life a little easier. Now you slide that right off. See how that just slid right off? And that slides off as well. All right, now I'm going to let these dry up for just a little bit before we put some UV resin over top of it. You want to make sure that your wings are not over. There we go. Now let's let those dry out and I'll be back to show you what we do with them once they're dry. Okay, I let them dry for about 10 minutes or so. Water and resin don't mix very well. So when you start mixing them up, it does not go good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of just a little bit of my crushed crystal. This is Unicorn Art crushed crystal. I just got a little bit on there, just a tiny bit. And I'll put it in my UV resin. I just poured a little bit in here just so that I could have a better control over it. And we're just going to top coat them. And yes, I've made up too much resin. I already know this, but that's okay. Look at that. Okay, it's easier to hold both sides of the bracelet while I'm doing it so it don't move. And I'm just putting a very thin top coat on it. I love these butterflies. They're so pretty. If you would like these bracelets, they will be in my eBay store. I will have them in there soon, if not already there, unless somebody's already snatched them up. My other bracelets went really, really quick. All right, these look real good. Let me get this out of the way so I don't cure them. I'm gonna put some fire over it, so just in case I have any bubbles. All right. Scooch those in so they don't get zapped by the magnets on the side of this, and I'll be back when these are done. Oh, that turned out beautiful. I still have my gloves on. I like to use glove with UV as well most of the time. Look at that. It's a nice little bracelet. I've got a small wrist. But there's plenty of room. You can hook it in any one of these. There's a little heart at the bottom. And then there's this one. There we go. Those are gorgeous. Well, like I said earlier, if you want these, they're going to be on my eBay store. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Until next time, keep creating and keep pouring. Bye for now.